Good day everyone, I am Midshipman Padrid John Christopher Y from BSM TNM 632. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the proper computation on how to quantify the impact of trim and stability of the vessel in the event of damage to the compartment, and also the subsequent flooding as well as the countermeasures that should be taken during that kind of the incident. Okay, so when we talk about the flooding, this is causes of water that enter to the damaged compartment on the vessel. Okay, so I have a problem solving that I made to compute and to initiate what is the new drop and how to find the list of that kind of the incident or the vessel would be with due regards to the damaged compartment. Okay, so here, as you can see, a box-shaped vessel, 55 meter long, 12 meter wide, floats in salt water on an even keel at a drop of 4.3 meter. So a center line, longitudinal watertight bulkhead, extends from end to end and for the full depth of the vessel. Okay, so a compartment amidships on starboard side is 17 meter long and contains cargo with permeability as denoted by U of 34%. So calculate the list if this compartment is bilged. Okay, our kg is 3.6 meter. So here the graph, so as you can see, we have the length. So our length is 55 meter as on the given. We have the breadth 12 meter as the given, which is 12 meter wide, floats in salt water. So how we can get the D1? So we get the D1 from half of breadth. So 12 divided by 2, we have 6. So we have also the 17 meter coming from this compartment amidship or starboard side is 17 meter long, okay, and contains cargo with permeability of 34%. Okay, so when we talk about the permeability, this is the amount of water, okay, that can penetrate to the compartment. Wherein a letter that is denoted by U and is expressed as a percentage. So if the compartment is built from the start, you would have 100% of permeability. So here's the proper computation. So first, we have the letter A. So bodily increase in drop. So bodily increase in drop is equals to volume of lost buoyancy over area of intact water plane. Okay, so we have 34 here. So 34 we get from our permeability of 34%, okay, divided by 100 times 17, which is our compartment amidship here, and then times 6, which is the half of breadth or the 12 meter wide, divided by 2, you obtain 6 times 4.3 meter. So this is our even keel. Okay, so as you add this, you have the numerator value of 149.12. okay, over area of intact water plane 55, which is the length of our box-shaped vessel, times 12, which is the whole value of the breadth, minus 34 over 100 times 17 times 6, you got this numerator value of 625.3. Okay, to obtain this 0.24, you have to divide the numerator and denominator value. So 149.12 divided by 625.3, you obtain 0.24 meter. And then, as you obtain this, let's proceed this. So our new drop 4.3, which is even keel, plus you obtain from that value, so 0.24. So you have 4.54 D2 as our new drop. So here, the next procedure. So to obtain BB1, we have the permeability A times B over 4 divided by length breadth minus A or LB minus A. So we have the permeability of 34%. So 34 over 100 times 17 times 6 times 12, which is our breadth, divided by on our even keel, so 4.3. So you get the value of 96.8 96.8 as your numerator. So the second, so the denominator, so 55, your length of the back-shaped vessel, times 12, the breadth, minus the permeability of 34% divided by 100, times the compartment amidshift, times the 6, which is the half of breadth. You can get the value of 625.3. So likewise with the letter A methods, so you have to divide the numerator and denominator value, as you can get the BB1 of 0.15 meter. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the third and fourth procedure to find our list. So C, to find IOC. So ICL is equals to LB cube divided by 12 minus permeability divided by B cube over 3. So we have 55, the length of the vessel or the length of the back-shaped vessel, times 12 cube, our breadth, divided by 12. So you obtain 7,920 meter. Minus the permeability of divided by B cube over 3. So 34 as our permeability percentage divided by 100 times 17 times 6 cube, our half of breadth. Okay, so divided by 3, you obtain 416.17. So you both to subtract to get this value, 7503.83 meter to the fourth. Okay, so here the IOJ is equals to ICL minus 8 times BB2 over 1. So we have the IOJ of 753.8 minus 625.3 times 0.15 squared. So how we obtain the 625.3? So we obtain this from the denominator of BB1, also with the 0.15 squared. Our answer on the L minus A, okay? LB minus A. So here, you can obtain the 7,490 meter to the port, okay? So here, the port method, so we have the BM2 is equals to IOJ divided by B. So BM2, so 7,490 divided by 55 times 12 times 4.3, our even kill. So you have 2838. Okay, so you have to divide the numerator and denominator value to get the BM2. So 7,490 divided by 2838, so you have 2.6 plus the KB2. So how we obtain the KB? So D2 over 2, so 4.54 our KB earlier. So you need to divide on 2, so you have 2.27 meter. So to obtain the KM2, you have to add the BM2 to KB2. So 2.64 meter plus 2.27 meter, you have the 4.91. And then as before building, so KG is 3.6 meter. So as we have to obtain the GM2, you have to subtract the 2.27 meter to KM2 4.91. No, you have to subtract the 4.91 meter to kg as before killing. So 4.91 minus 3.6, you have 1.31 meter, which is our metacentric height 2. Okay, so here's the last procedure for our problem. So we have E, tan list is equals to BB1 over metacentric height. So is equals to our BB1 earlier is 0.15 meter, and then divide it to our metacentric height, 1.31 meter, you obtain 0.114 meter. Okay, so how to convert into list? So you have to use your scientific calculator. So 0.114 and then shift tangent, you would have list of 6 degrees 32 minutes to starboard. Okay, so note, when permeability is 100%, then ICL is equals to B divided by 2 cube times L divided by 3 plus B divided by 2 cube, okay, L minus 1 cube M to the 4. Or ICL is equals to LB cube divided by 12 minus LB cube divided by 3 M to the 4. So both formulae give the same answer of Thank you for listening and for your cooperation to listen from the topic what I discussed today. And stay safe everyone, and God bless. So good luck to our final term. So thank you so much.